Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the holder and files. Pick 2-3 priority documents and set the holder at a comfortable angle. Once done, open any clamps or dividers so you can slide papers in without bending them. Make sure tabs face outward and labels are readable. This saves time later. If the holder has adjustable slots, set them to the paper thickness you have now. You're ready to place the first documents. Keep movement smooth to avoid snags or misalignment. Now you load and organize. Take each file and insert it according to the holder's design, spine first for upright racks, bottom edge for horizontal trays. As you add files, group similar documents together and assign a color or number so you can find them quickly. Once a group is placed, align the edges so they're flush and press lightly to seat the papers. This prevents cascading shifts. Make sure dividers close or clips engage so files stay upright during normal use. Finish by labeling the visible tab or the holder's front with a date and a single keyword so you find it fast. If the holder jams or tilts, take out the top 2-3 files, realign the base or divider, then reinsert files evenly. This usually fixes skewing. Make sure you never exceed the holder's capacity. Overfilling causes bending and misfeeds. Finally, rotate archived files monthly so the active set stays manageable and the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.